In this video, we're going to learn how to install Zotero. So the first thing that you want to do is go to zotero.org, and of course right here is a download. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So you click on the download button, and it knows that I have a Mac, so it puts Mac, but you can also change it down here. So I'm going to download Zotero. And once it downloads to your computer, you just double click on it. And then move it into your applications folder. Alright, now Zotero is installed, and I can bring that up. And here is Zotero. So the other thing that you want to do, in case it doesn't do it automatically, is install the Zotero plugin. So that comes up already here. So you want to install Zotero connector for Chrome. So just click on that. And then it's installed. So you can see it says remove from Chrome here. So that means it's already installed. So now I have that installed, and it usually looks like a paper here. It looks like a piece of paper. You can see it says save to Zotero. Alright, so that's all you have to do to install Zotero. So get that installed on your computer, and then we'll move on to the next step.